Tag history has many aggregation modes that can aggregate the data you store in the historian to bring back some interesting metrics. For example, here I have a random Boolean tag that's set to randomly flip between a 0 and a 1. I'm storing tag history on it, and I've set the tag history to be evaluate on change. On the window, I then have a table and a chart, both of which have a tag history binding with the random Boolean. I'm looking at the most recent 5 minutes, my sample size is an interval of 1 minute, and my aggregation mode is duration on in seconds. What this means is that instead of showing me the value of the tag when it changes, it's going to show me how long the tag was on for. Because my interval is set to minutes, I can see at each minute interval how long my tag was on. So, at 9:15, we can see that the random Boolean was on for 9 seconds, whereas at 9:17, it was on for 20. We can also see the same data reflected in the chart below. These can be useful because it allows you to get an idea of how long a particular line was running for, or, just the opposite, how long during a given hour that line was down. Now, in addition to using these tag history aggregates on tag history bindings, we can also use them with the Easy Chart. If we right-click on our Easy Chart and go into the Easy Chart Customizer, we can then select one of our pens and click the Edit button, and at the bottom of the Edit Pen window, we can find the Aggregation Mode property. Here we have some basic aggregates, such as min-max, closest value, as well as basic average. But there are also some more complex aggregates, such as duration on and off, count, as well as variance and standard deviation. To find out more about each of these aggregates, check out the user manual, where we go over each one of them and how they work.